Okay, friends. Today I would like to take a class about Miro, and let's see the Miro. Yes, let's take the session of Miro, and already we have seen previously the site mind mappings and how can we create a site maps and everything we already know. But we have a small steps here. We have to understand the Miro concepts also. So one second, like Miro. We have some topics we have taken here, some shortcuts and topics here like Miro. Yes, let's take the how to download Miro on all devices. Okay, and here we have the Miro options. Click it here. Let's take with Google and let's start the Miro. Click it here and we can see the pricing variations here. Like we can see the free here, starter, business and enterprises, and we have some benefits here like 3 editable artboards, unlimited boards and secure and every team and client and license agreement with SCM. So we have so many options here to work with Miro. So these are the business and enterprises and starters and students. Okay, so this is the price, and that's why how can we download this Miro on all devices? Like this we can download here as a in the all devices, like is the plan Miro download for tablet. Click it. So we can directly download the Miro mobile in the tablet or Android. Okay, and as usual desktop and interactive displays, like these are the different displays, like working with this is one type of desktops only. Interactive displays is nothing but just based on the desktops only, and here we can work with mobile and tablets. Okay, and collaborate anywhere with Miro on all your devices. We have 3 options and 3 versions here: tablet, mobile, desktop, and interactive displays is nothing but different compatibility displays. Okay, like this we can take the Miro, downloading Miro on all devices. And how to pick your Miro payment plan? So we already seen here the Miro payment plans will be like this, and the students will take here as a free, and starter will be the here like starter will be the $8 and so okay, and starter, business and enterprises. So these are the payment plans of Miro. Okay, now come to the how to make a presentation. Suppose just go to the Miro and log in the Miro and sign it with Google. Click it. Just click it and go to the Google. It's Miro. Click it here and log in with Miro. So login, accept all cookies, sign in with Google. Okay, again it is asking, yes, the Miro board. So we just taken the Miro board here. Already we have done with previous Miro boards here, like our previous recent templates. Okay, and I can take it again, new board here. And just close this one and use the frame here, and you can draw the frame. This is the Miro, and select this frame, click it, and you can give the custom ratios. You can click it here, A4 and different sizes, 4:3, tablet, phone, browsers, and letter, and A4 and custom sizes. And I can create the browser. If you click it again, click it here and just go to the custom size. I can make it as our custom size. So this is frame. So I can create a frame here. Okay, and what is the thing, making the presentations here? Just click it here and I can create a presentation here. Okay, suppose, and I can get the images, go to the images folder, and I can use some education. Just click it, select this one, and I can decrease the size, and it is more quality. Click it, slide 1. Slide 1, and select this one, make it, increase the size, keep it bold, and would like to duplicate, just alt drag, and then this is the one type of presentation. Just right click, click it. So you need to change it as a circle, or you need to change with a portrait, or you need to change with a landscape, or you need to change with a white. So you can adjust the properties like this also, or would like to go with circle, just make it circle. So I can create the circle like this. Replace image, we can replace this image from the board or upload from devices. So there is no board, there is no images on the board, so that's why I can taking the images folder, like some park images. Can I take some like this, some park images? So I can transform like this. And just click it here and make it again the color borders. If you need, just make it as a color borders also. This is called slide 2. Again you can drag it here, make it circle, and just replace the image from the upload devices. Just click it and select this one and make it custom, like as a circle style. Just increase the size of the image, and you can keep it like this, and this is slider 3. So like this you can create the your presentation view. So select this one and frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3, click it here, make it presentation view. So 1, 2 and 3. So like this we can work with as a presentation view. If you want to stop it, make it stop. So this we created as a how to make a presentation. So already done with the presentation. How to lock the objects? Select this one, and what is the shortcut to lock the objects? Right click, you can lock the objects like this, and again same shortcuts, lock and unlock all. If you lock it, again you can unlock all. So select it, Control Shift L, lock. So there is no unlock shortcut. Unlock, right click and unlock it. So you can click as a lock and you can click as a unlock. Okay, and that is the lock and unlocking. How to use the highlighter tool? Where is the highlighters? Suppose I have some data, just click it, board, make it as a presentation view, and again to create a new board, create a new board. So again create the new board. Just close all the things and make it a frame. So what is the shortcut to take a frame, guys? Here we have a shortcut to take a frame. The shortcut is F. What is that? F. If you click it F here, you can get the frame tool. I told you to lock it, no? Control Shift L, but there is no unlock option. Lock. If you want unlock, just right click on image or object. You can see the properties, unlock there, unlock it. So right click on image or object, you can see the properties, you can unlock it. Ashita is missing. Ashita is missing. Okay, so you can unlock it, and F is the frame. So you can again to create a frame, and there is a options and you can rename it as a frame. Just click it. This is project 1. So like this we can rename it. Okay, so is the thing. And how to use the highlighter tool? Suppose there is a text here, you can take it text, some text tool, and we can go to the lorem ipsum. There is a content, just make it copy, take a text tool and just drag it here and Control V, paste it here. So there is a text. Good. So I would like to give the highlighter here. So go to the highlighter here, the pen tool, shortcut P, and there is a highlighter. These are the erasers, smart drawings and highlighters, and take the color. There is a highlighter. So like this we can highlight the keys. So select this one and make it as a highlighter options. This is the fill colors also. You can highlight it like this. So we can work on, if there is a license versions, we can use with, we can work with, we can collaborate with our co-workers by real-time collaboration. Okay, so like this. If you want eraser, again you can erase it. Is it moving? Is it removing or not? So again, if you want to keep it, highlighter, click it and select it. So like this we can highlight the text options with the different colors and different highlighters. So this is the thing, and this is the pen tool. Already I told you here in the previously, the pen tool is nothing but we can create the shapes, and the pen tool we can create some text and text boards, like some shapes, everything. If you select this one, you can select it and you can increase the stroke size, you can increase the stroke size, and you can change the color. So like this we can use the pen tool and the highlighters part and eraser also. Okay, and select it and delete the part. So take one more duplicate, select this one. This is the part, this is the project, and this is the frame we have taken. Select the copy, highlighters, remove the highlighters. So lock, highlight, export and save frames. Already we done with the mind mappings also. Select this one and we can export here as a board, save as a image. We can save it as a different type of images. So we are students now, so that's why we have taken the small version. If there is enterprises or business organizations, they will take with large, vector and medium. So let's take with small. Like this we can export the small images. Like this we can export the frames, saving frames. And how to navigate the easily navigate, how to easily navigate. So already we know guys, we can navigate the image, our artboard. So Control plus and Control minus is zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and if you Control minus zoom out, if you want to fit it, Control 0 to fit the document. The same shortcuts where it's repeating from Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign. So the same shortcuts it is repeating. And if you want to move it, pan it. If you want to pan it means how can you pan it? Using with the space bar, you can pan the document area like this. So this is the better option for navigating. So this navigating we'll see here. We are navigating our artboards, like we call as a frames. Here there is no artboards, here it is a frames. Okay, shortcut for select tool, hand tool, pen tool and pen tools. So what is this? Already we have the selections. So pen tool, already zoom in, zoom up, it's completed. Select tools, already this is the selection. Now you can select this one, you can select this one, you can select it and you can move it. So this one and make it as a pen tool, and already the pen tool shortcut will be given by P. P for pen tool, and there is a highlighters, smart drawings and erasers. We have a shortcut for eraser also, E, and there is a pen tool, E for eraser tool. And we can erase it guys very easily. Select this one, pen tool, and we can take the eraser, or or directly we can use E for eraser tool and select it, and you can delete whatever you selected the part of area. Okay, so like this we can use it. Okay, and already I told you the zoom in and zoom outs also. Okay, and how to use the lasso tool to select multiple elements. So what happened here, guys, we have a selections. So I can create a multiple objects here. So the shapes and the connectors and sticky notes. Click it here. Click it and make it like this. So sorry, S for shapes. So I can create the shapes here. So again press F, you can create the shapes. Select the shapes. So using the move tool, what is the shortcut of move tool? V is the move tool shortcut only. Already we know. Okay, so how we selecting this one? So what is lasso? How can we select with lasso tool? So where is lasso? Again we have to go with the pen tool and we can see the lasso. So the base of the selection only we use. The base of the selection we are using with the multiple elements, using with lasso. Just selecting the lasso. You have to close it the lasso like this. Then only it will be selected. Sir, I am selecting like this. It is not selecting. Not like that. You have to close the complete object. So then only it will be selected. So this single one. Take the lasso, click it here, and you can select as a single one also. If you want to go with the multiple elements, you can select with the multiple elements. Okay, this is the thing, and this is the lasso. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, selecting with multiple, and how to use the lines to connect ideas. So I told you here. So we have three connectors. We have three objects. If you select this one and make it a connection line, so you can select this one and you can connect it anywhere. Okay, see, this is the connection line with multiple elements. The shortcut will be L. Connect lines. Okay, connect lines. So what the connectivity will run? So we have a strings here. Every string we can select here, and I can select the connector from one pointer to another pointer. When you click it here, automatically we can see the step line connectors here. Okay, the styles and the step lines. So wherever you go to the connectivity, automatically the step lines will be running. And again you can select here on the connector. You can see here directly and click it here, make it the straight lines. Okay, select this one and make it here, make it some styles. Sir, what about the connectors again? So we have a connectors here from one place to another place again. So select this one and make it the connectors very clearly. Select this one and make it connectors very clearly. Like this we can connect it. So double click, we can create a project one and double click project 2, project 3. So these are the connectors, and click it and decrease the size of the connectivity, and select it and decrease the size of the connectivity. Anything else? Now you got it. These are the line connectors. shortcuts for sticky notes. We can see here we have a sticky note here. We have a sticky note with N for the sticky note shortcut. Delete this one. Sticky note. And select this one and go to the shortcut N. If you click it here, we can connect it, we can see the sticky notes. So here also we can create our projects, Adobe XD. And again we can select this one, again we can take it N for sticky note and taking with another color, click it, and we have Figma. And take one more N, click it here and click it here. Again like Miro. So what are the elements we have in UX? Suppose we have two things. We can create as a one card. There is a card option, frames and cards will be there. So I'm just taking the cards option. Cards option will be here, the cards. Just click it. This is the comment. Yeah, this is the card D. D for cards. Okay, select this one. I'm just creating as a UX wing. So select it. Switch type, sticky note, and double click. Make it triangle vision. Click it, and with this style, just taking some styles only. Select this one, make it star like this, and select this one, make it text size increasing, bold. So I would like to give the UX select this one and use the line connectors. Click it. Again the line connectors. And select this one. Increase the size. So again you can take a duplicate. So we have sketch. How can we take a duplicate, guys? Alt drag. Sketch, UX pin. Again take one more duplicate and increase the frame. Framer. There is a UX pin framer. Ballsmith. So these are the general tools we are in the UX. So again we can take the L for connectors. So from one wing to another wing. So again just select it and move it. See how it is moving. There is a connectivity here. Like this we can moving the area. So double click, here we can use UX. So if you want Miro, and you can take a connectivity L for sketch, again L for framer also. With a multi-linking, like this we can create as a multi-linking. So like this we can go to the, we can call as a sitemap also this one. Okay, we can call as a sitemap, mind map, and working with sticky notes. Okay, and again we are creating shapes, and if you double click you can change the colors and everything. Okay, so these are the connectors. If you want to remove, just select it, delete it, select it, delete it, select it, delete it, select it, delete it. Like this we can delete the connectors. So you can delete. So we have a different sections like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, like this. So we can decrease the sizes. So when you click it here guys, just click the frame. You can select the background color like this, and we have a hide frames. You have to upgrade it, sorry. Done for now. Lock unlocks. Just lock it. Okay, the frame has been locked, and again come to here and unlock it. Okay, so remove the grid and again show the grid. If you want to grid, show the grid. So the shortcut is G for grid. So almost we covered shortcuts for cards and frames. Already we know the F for frames. Cards we can use as a D letter. Okay, and working with Venn diagrams, colors and opacity. Nothing. Venn diagram is nothing but circles. We call as a circles. So select this one and delete this one, and I can create the shapes that we call as a Venn diagrams. Select this one. This is one circle. And just double click and make it none. So select this one, make it white. Okay, so select this one, just double click, make it like this. And I can take one more duplicate that we call as the Venn diagram, two Venn diagrams, and if you want to take with one more circle that we call as 3 diagrams. Okay, and we can take it as red color, and we can take it as a blue, and this one we can call as a gray. And I can select this one and I can change the opacity, which is overlapping on the select this one and make it opacity like this. Select this one, make it opacity here only. If you want to give some opacity, like this. So this is the grid layout. The last, how to organize the frames using this grid. So click it here. If I keep it like as a unorderly, automatically it will sort it as a grid style. Okay, so that we call as a grid. This one is the grid option, and if you it is a full of organization version, you can click it here. You can see the grid options here only. Okay, and there is an option for a grid, or there is a grid option, there is a list option. Two things. The grid option will be taken as a sorting with step by step, like right side and left side, and the list item we can see as this right 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that, as vertically and horizontally. Okay, and select this one, and make it as a grid like this. Okay, and these are the opacity. If you want to give the here as any red color and give the thickness and make it the opacity, select this one and make it the thickness green and opacity full. You can select this one, make it the yellow or blue, the thickness and opacity. So like this also we can take it. So this we call as a Venn diagram. Venn diagram is nothing but using with circles only. Okay, select this one and come to the organizing frames using the grid. Suppose if you take this one, just remove the, select and delete this one and select all the things and use the grid. What happened? It is sorted, it has been sorted. So that's why I told you here. But if it is an organization version, you can get the options here only. Okay, but when you select this one and make it decrease, select all the things and click it as a grid view. Clear? This one clear and this one clear. Everything is clear now. So, and finally we have a unsplash photos within Miro. So we can get, no need to get the images from drag and drop or any other devices also. Directly you can click it here and click the find the apps. It's nothing but unsplash. Please run the Miro like unsplash, click it here and you can get the images like food. Select this one and you can select the food here. Directly you can place it here. Delete. So again click this one, more apps, and go to the like unsplash, click it here, just drag it and place it here. No need to download anywhere. Select it and make it as a size. Select, if you want to resize it as a technically, just double click here and make it circle or make it portrait or make it landscape or make it wide with the perfect size like this, with the circles of sizes. This one, okay. And this is the Miro, guys. Please be practice. If you have any doubts, please ask me. These are the 17 tricks on Miro. Please be practice. Thank you, guys.